All right. Hey, I just wanted to introduce you to Anthony. Anthony, tell us a little bit about yourself. How long have you been in the industry?
Yeah, I've been in the industry about 14 years, been in the commercial and residential sector. One of my partners that we got in the industry about 14 years ago has ran a sales org, Horizon, and they've done over 15,000 deals. With that experience, we've seen a lot of companies go to add a business, and knowing that, Solar Insure has kind of filled in that role for us.
Awesome. I love it. What exactly do you guys do? And like, as far as making sure that the homeowner is educated?
I consider our team a bunch of energy experts. We definitely like to sit at the table, break down their utility bills, show them how they're going to save and all the benefits that come along with it. And I think a lot of things that help us out is differentiated factors like Solar Insure.
Awesome. So how does Solar Insure add value to your business at Powersmith?
Well, for instance, we like to partner up with great EPCs right off the bat that have strong warranties, production warranties, leak warranties for the standard 25 years. What breaks us apart, there's a lot of EPCs that are offering that also, to have that 30 years at whatever we charge our extra customers. It's a win-win. With our baseline and our experience, we're able to add this 30-year warranty and still beat our competitors.
Awesome. I love it. And as far as how does Solar Insure help you vet your EPCs?
That's the thing, that we won't work with the EPC if they're not Solar Insure, so that's huge. And a lot of the reasons I even go to you, because you deal with a lot of, they have to go through a process. You can't just be any EPC that goes into Solar Insure. You can't be any inverter that is with Solar Insure. You can't be any battery. So it's top tier products and top tier EPCs.
Awesome. And as far as the warranties that the contractor has, how good are they and how long are they good for?
Yeah, a lot of these warranties are coming 25-year standard, but they're manufacturer warranties. They're not labor warranties. To fill in that labor aspect is huge, and that's what Solar Insure offers. And then 5 years plus whatever the finance. So they're pretty much getting 5 years coverage after they own the system too.
Yeah, awesome. Now, as far as the contractor warranty, and let's say they have a 25-year labor warranty, what could happen to that warranty, and how does Solar Insure help protect that?
And that's a great point, because anyone could say anything on paper. They have this, and that. That makes you go with them. But again, being in the industry 14 years, I've seen a lot of companies come and go. 150 years in the industry, focusing on the insurance part and maintaining the third-party warranty, customer service. It's huge. It's really made us stand apart from anyone else.
Awesome. Well, if you want to work with a great organization, check out Powersmith. They'd love to work with solar professionals, ones who are energy experts, and they'll help you drive to success.
Thank you. Anthony from Powersmith Solar.